Good Tuesday morning, Quad Cities. Another decent day on tap for us here with high pressure remaining in control. We're actually going to see more sunshine today, too. This is the satellite and radar picture just after 7 o'clock this morning. You see a lot of the clouds well to our south. Actually, there's quite an event unfolding, too, that I want to kind of highlight this morning. A flash flood event, actually some water rescues ongoing throughout St. Louis this morning, where they have had rounds of showers and thunderstorms repeatedly ever since midnight. This is the Doppler radar estimated rainfall going back to just about midnight when that rain started. And look at St. Louis here, the metro just bathed in that orange color. That's 5 to 8 inches worth of rainfall in just 5 hours or so worth of time. That's some extreme flooding that's ongoing around right now. Also, if you go further west here into St. Charles, right along 270 into 70, that's where they've seen more than 8 inches of rain. What does that look like? Well, this is some of the video that our sister station KSDK in St. Louis is actually getting into their newsrooms. This is Highway 70 in St. Louis. You see water completely covering the roadway. And again, we've seen several reports that water rescues are underway throughout downtown. So hopefully your travels don't take you there today. If they do, it's going to be quite a mess. Nothing like that here closer to home in the Quad Cities. We're going to see a mix of sun and clouds today. That'll yield a high temperature right around 81, very comfortable. No humidity to speak of. A reminder that that's going to change as we go into your Wednesday tomorrow. That will be definitely a more moist air mass that'll push dew points into the 70s. That's air that easily gives you a hug, but nothing like what we saw this past Saturday, thankfully. So at least it's a little more tame. The impressive heat that remains off to the south. There are signs, though, that this is going to pull northward by next week. First, actually, full week of August looks rather hot here in the Quad Cities. Here's how future track shapes up for today. A mix of those sun and clouds. We're into the low 80s. As we go to tonight, 68 as clouds move in. Could be a scattered shower thunderstorm here. But again, most of us are going to stay dry. Look how narrow this line is. There's not a lot to it, but can't rule out some wet pavement in spots as you wake up tomorrow morning. By the afternoon, that will clear out. We'll see highs in the mid 80s and feels like temperatures nearing 90 degrees. And then we'll scour out the humidity again Thursday, Friday into Saturday. Sunday may see one more shower storm before we transition into that hot stuff for next week.